ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया
चक्षुरुन्मिलितं
तस्मै
तस्मै
श्रीगुरुवे नमः.
श्रीगुरुवे नमः.
All right, welcome to the class, dear devotees who have joined us here on Facebook, as well as those who have joined us on the Zoom call. Thank you so much for joining us on a Sunday morning. I know it's a chore for some of you, and we will get started with reading from the chapter 17 of Bhagavad Gita, and we are going to actually do the Sanskrit. So I'm sharing the screen with you, and we know that today is Sunday. We have a short day here. So I'll try to be as efficient as possible, and hopefully not make mistakes in sharing the desktop. Please let me know if you can see.
Yes, Mataji, we can see.
All right. So Vindhyavali Mataji, please go in first, and we are reading the Sanskrit today. Okay, only that.
Okay. Chapter 17, the division of faith, divisions of faith. Arjuna Vacha, Yashastra Vidhim Ustrajya, Yajante Sradhayanvita, Tesham Nishtatu Ka Krishna, Sattam Aho Rajastamaha.
Very nice. Ruchi Mataji?
All of them?
No. One each. Only.
One each. Okay. Hare Krishna. Shri Bhagwan Vacha. Tri Vidha Bhavati Shraddha. Dehinam Sa Swabhavaja. Satviki Rajasi. Cheva Tamsi Cheti Tam Sranu.
Very nice. Tam Shrunu.
Shranu. Tam Shranu. Shuttapa Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Shatapano Rupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata Shraddha Mayo Yam Purusho Ya Yak Chandraha Sha Evasha.
Yeah. So this is cha. This is a tongue twister actually. So this is cha and this is cha for chhatri. So this is cha for chakla or cha for chameli. This one, and this is cha. This is cha. So you yat chadraha.
Okay.
And actually, this becomes like this. Although it is the originally, if you look at the word by word, this will be yat. This is yat, and this is shraddha. You see?
Oh.
Yat,
Yes, Mataji.
when you combine the two, it becomes like that. Yat shraddha. So if it becomes too much of a tongue twister for you, you can also say yo yat shraddha. So vasa. That's also yeah, to say it like that. If it becomes too difficult. Okay. Now who's going next after Satapa Mataji?
Garima. Yajante satvika devan yakshrakshashmi rajasaha pretan bhuta ganam shanye yajante tamsa janaha.
Very nice. Okay. Sadhana Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandat Pranam, Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Okay, so Sadhana Mataji is there, and we didn't have. I didn't have Arjana Mataji. I didn't hear you. Sorry about that. So I'll add you towards the end.
No, it's all right.
Okay, so Sadhana Mataji, please go ahead.
Ashastra Goram Tapyante Yetapojanaha Damba Hankara Samyuktaha Kamaraga Val Anvitya
Valanvitaha. All right, good.
Kalanvitaha
Let the
Oh,
other
Asan
one word.
कर्षयन्तः सहे शरीरस्थं भूतग्रहम् अशिताशः मां चैवन्तः शरीर्यस्तं तन्विधि असुरा निश्चयन्
Nishchayan. Vidya.
निश्चयन्
This is Vidya. Vidya.
Shraddha Mataji, can you please read the past word Karshayantaha? Shayantaha.
Yeah. Karshayantaha sharirastham bhutagramam achetasaha mam chevantaha sharirastham tan vidya asura nishchayan. Okay, we got every word there. Okay, let's go. Who's coming next?
Sulekha
Sulekha
Mataji is
Mataji
here.
also joined.
Sulekha Mataji is here.
Sulekha is also there. Okay. So we'll go that in that order. We'll add Sulekha. Sulekha, you're able to read today, right?
Hare Krishna Mataji, yes, I can read.
All right. So now we have both the sisters today. That is fantastic.
Hare Krishna.
I think I have Sulekha here. Okay. All right. So who goes next? Meera, right?
Meera Mataji.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Hare Krishna. Aharas, how do you say TV?
Twa.
Aharastva api
Okay. Aharastva api saravasya trividho bhavati priyaha yajnas
Yeah.
tapas tatha danam tesam bedam imam shrunu.
Yeah, right. So here, just one small thing here. When you see a J with followed by an N, and there is a tilde, right? That's that sign on top of the N. That's accent on top of the N. So this whole becomes gyan. So you see,
Oh,
gyan. This is the gyan.
Yagnas.
There's a nasal there. Gyan, right? Yagyas. Yagyas tapas tatha danam tesham vedam imam shrunu. Okay, very good. Let's continue on. Varshana Mataji.
Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji. Text 8. आयु सत्बलारोग्ये सुखप्रीति विवर्धनः रस्याः सनिग्धाः स्थिरा हृदया sorry Mataji रस्याः सनिग्धा स्थिरा हृदया आहारः सात्विक प्रियः Hare Krishna.
Priyaha. Very nice. So here,
Satvik.
yeah.
Yes,
So here we have to be careful. Sometimes we will see people from a certain part of India will sing it in a different, say that in a different way. It's bala rogyen. It is not rogyen. If it was rogyen, then it will be E over here, right? It's rogya, right?
Rogya. Okay.
Rogya. You see in the Hindi here, rogya.
Yes.
It's not rogyen. If it was a rogyen, there would be a matra, right? There would be something on top of it.
Yes.
It's not that.
Yes.
Bala rogya, right? All right.
Thank
So now, yeah, thank you.
Mataji, another thing, you see, I got stuck here. One thing, just show me. Rasyah snigdhastitra hridya. Here, Mataji, actually, generally we have got 3 words. Here we have 4 words, which is to be joined. Sthira hridya. How will we read it, Mataji?
None of them have to be joined because they are not joined. Prabhupada has actually split
Okay.
them, right?
So
You have to
split
pronounce
it.
separate, right? And as long as you maintain the tune in which the meter in which you're singing, and you notice that you had pronounced some of the words wrong, and you saw you went off the meter, then you came back and you rectified it, and you immediately got the meter, right? The moment you started pronouncing the way correctly, because here you had called this as hardya. Hridya. Yes, then you came back and said Hridya, right? So you will notice that that's why it is better to sing these shlokas. Always better to sing them.
Yes.
where you're going wrong. Okay, good. But I really liked it that you
Thank
went
you.
back and you saw that you were off and you brought it back. And this is the essence in devotional service that sometimes we go off our track. And it's not about that you went off the track, it's about how quickly you come back onto the track.
Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, good. Who is going next? Sulekha?
Sulekha Mataji.
Um,
Sulekha, can you
Mataji,
read this? Can you read this script or no?
I can try Mataji, but
No, no,
I'm not.
No, I'm asking that do you recognize these letters? Are you familiar with the Hindi script?
Yes,
You are
Mataji.
familiar with it. Okay, so go ahead here. English. Give it a-
Katva,
Mhm.
Katva Lamba, Katva Amla, Katva Amla Lavanyas Trishno.
Tya.
Shani-
Yeah. Tya.
It's very long.
You see, Lavana, Tya.
Lavana. Katva Lamba Lavana
Not Lamba, Katva
Trish
Amla. Katva Amla.
Katva Amla Lavanyaste Unashna
Ushna.
Ushna
Yeah. Like in Vishnu, Ushna.
Ushna
Mhm.
Tikash Ushna
Try this.
Tikshanu Rupa Shani Vadihin
Vidahina.
Idaniha.
Vidahina
Mhm.
Ahara Rajasya Yeshta Dukha Shokama Yaprada.
Yokamaya Pradaha. Okay, good, very good. For somebody who's new to this, you did a good job. Okay, go ahead. Who's next? After
Okay.
Mataji? Anybody else joined us? Okay,
No, Mataji.
all right, so we'll continue. Yeah, I don't know where Aruni Mataji is these days. Okay, I hope things are well.
Is anybody reading Mataji?
You have to read. Nevali Mataji.
Yatayamam gatarasam putti paryusitam yayat uchishtam api chamedhyayam bhojanam tamasapriyam.
Right. Can you do this line one more time?
Uchishtam api chamedhyayam.
Medhyam.
Chamedhyayam.
Medhyam.
Chamedhyayam.
Yeah, there's no A
Chamedhyam.
here. It's one
Uchishtam
A.
api chamedhyam.
So you'll get it, right? Otherwise you're having difficulty.
Yatayamam gatarasam.
Hold on. Don't add letters on your own here. It is not rasyam. It is rasam.
Rasam.
It's rasam, right?
Yatayamam gatarasam.
Yeah. Yatayamam. Yat.
Yata.
Yat, not yata.
Yata.
Yatayamam. Yatyam.
Yatyamam gatarasam. Yatyamam gatarasam.
Rasam.
Rasam. Sorry.
Rasam, right?
Yatarasam.
Yatayamam gatarasam.
Yatayamam gatarasam. Putri puryasitam chayat.
Puti paryush.
Uchishtam.
Puti paryushitam. Right? Puti
Paryushitam chayat.
Uchishtam api chamedhyam bhojanam.
Uchishtam api chamedhyam bhojanam tamasapriyam.
Oh, very good. Okay. So for it. Next one.
Hare
Ruchi.
Krishna. Abhalakan. Abhalakan. Stibhiryano.
Yagyo.
Yagyo vidhi drishto ya.
Vidhi what?
Ijayate.
Vidhi what?
Drishto.
Vidhi what?
Vidhi drishto.
Vidhi what?
Drishto.
Vidhi what?
Dishto.
Dishto.
All right.
Dishto. Vidhi dishto ijayate.
Yate.
Yes. Tvayam iveti manaha. Yash
Yashtavyam.
Yam iveti.
Savyam.
Yashtavyam iveti manaha. Samadhai satvikaha.
Samadhaya. Right? There's a A at the end of it.
Samadhaya.
Yes.
Samadhaya
When the A at the end of it, then we will put a little emphasis. You know, samadhaya. See, samadhaya. So you see a little bit of a over there.
Yeah, like a year. Yeah, samadhaya.
Right? But when it is coming in between, right? You see, this is one word. You see, this is one word. So here we will not put too much of an emphasis that although
The
there's A
sum.
here, but when it is in the middle, we won't put too much of
Yes.
emphasis there. So that's why I was saying yatayamam. See, yatayamam, not too much of emphasis. But here in yours at the end, we are saying that you have to say
Like
samadhaya jasatvikaha. So
In Sanskrit, it's a yatayamam, it says.
satvikaha. Samadhaya satvikaha.
satvikaha. Very nice. Okay. Then who's going next?
Yeah.
Sutapa?
Shuttapa Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. We got an easy one. Yeah.
Sandhya. Happy Sandhya.
Let us
Abhishandhya tu phalam dambhartham api chevayat.
Okay, let's wait here. Let's look at this.
Abhishandhaya.
It is
Shandha,
Sandhya,
yeah.
not Sandhya.
Sandhya.
Not Sandhya. It is
No.
not Sandhya.
Sandha, yeah.
Yeah, Abhisandhaya tu phalam.
Okay.
Go slowly with the
Abhi,
eyes on the verse. Yeah.
yes. Abhishandhaya tu phalam dambhartham api chevayat. Chevayat. Ijyate varata srishtha tam yagam bhiti rajasham.
Very good. Yeah. And here?
Thank you, Mataji. Mataji, I would like to thank you from my heart, because you were such a nice teacher and so much patience. Really we are reading, but still we cannot pronounce this properly.
Kindergarten students.
You will definitely do that. Prabhupada says, read my book scrutinizing, and this is part of that scrutinizing effort. And I can't blame you. You are Mataji's. You are good at cooking, and you're also good at garnishing whatever you cook with. Hari, what is that called? Cilantro and things like that. So the same thing is showing. The same samskars are showing here also. You garnish the shlokas with a few extra letters that you throw in every now and then, which are not even there in the shloka. So that's why. So that's interesting that you put your eyes on the verse and see what exactly is written there. Sometimes we speak from our minds, right? So Dambhartha.
Yeah.
And on the Sanskrit pronunciation guide, I would highly recommend you to go and read it again and again. It took me a lot of effort to put it together. I had to literally type it manually. It's there as part of the Bhagavad Gita and the end of it, if you like to read from the book. But it's there on nityasankirtan.com, hanging from the Sanskrit pronunciation guide. It will help you a lot.
And I never read a single word in Hindi before. So
We see in the Hindi, it is actually its correct word is there.
Yeah. So it's always a combination. It's always a combination of both of them. Having said that, there are so many people who are not coming from a Hindi background, and they follow because they don't know Hindi, so they don't have any backlog of samskaras of this is this word and this is that word. So they are very good at following Prabhupada's instructions, and when they read it, it's like completely. I have a god sister from Russia. She reads it so nicely because she's not here at all. She's completely focused and she learned it. Okay, this is I with a bigger bar on it, so it's a more emphasis and things like that. But in
another thing, Mataji, this synonymous also helps a lot.
Big time. Yes,
very big help.
Very big. Yeah. So Prabhupada has done a fantastic job. Yeah. Okay, so let's continue. Who's next there?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Garima.
Vidihinam ashrishanam मन्त्रहीनम् अदाक्षिणम् श्रद्धाविरहितं यज्ञं तामसं परिचक्षते
Chakshate. Right?
चक्षते
Give me this line one more time.
विधिहीनम् अशिष्टानं मन्त्रहीनम् अदाक्षिणम्
Okay, give me this line. Highlighted one more time.
मन्त्रहीनम् अदाक्षिणम्
All right. Let's use this word again.
अदाक्षिणम् अदाक्षिणम्
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Now give me the whole line.
Krishna.
मन्त्रहीनम् अदाक्षिणम्
Dakshinam. Dakshina. You know Dakshina?
या दक्षिणा
Remunerations. It's such a tongue twister. Is it remuneration or remuneration? Always that switching goes on in the head, right? So it is a dakshinam. This is the remuneration that is going. Okay. All right. Let's go to 14. And who's there? Reading it.
साधना माताजी
Sadhana Mataji, go for it.
Devadvija Guru Pragya Pujanam Sucham Arjavam Brahmacharyam Ahimsacha Sariram Tapayuchata
Uchyate. Very nice, right? Just one-
Uchate.
Uchyate. One small thing I want to let you know that this, so this was fine. You said Shah. And then when there is a and a U next to it, it becomes so, show. So shaucham or shaucham, pujanam,
Shaucham.
shaucham. Yeah, the correct pronunciation is shaucham actually. Pujanam, shauchamarjavam. So show, there are two there, right? Two there on the top. Those who understand indeed. So pujanam, shauchamarjavam, arjavam. Okay, very nice. Let's go to 15.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Anudevga karam vakyam satiyam priya hitam chayat swadhya yabhiyasanam chaiva vanmayam tapa uchyate
Uchyate, right?
uchyate.
And this is a classic example.
It's a
Good.
big word.
Yeah, it's a big
Big
word.
word.
Right. It's a classic example of, when there is a big word, what Vindhyavali Mataji was talking about, and she's saying that synonyms help, right? So whenever you're stuck with this, come here and say, what exactly is the word trying to tell me? So that big word is actually broken into two. They are actually two words. One is swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means you study the study of the Vedic literature, right? So swadhyaya, you have to sit down and read it by yourself. So swadhyaya and abhyasanam, practice. So you read and then you practice. You read and then you apply it in your life. So swadhyaya abhyasanam, right? So now you know swadhyaya abhyasanam. So if I say, and you can practice it because you already have the meter, you know how you are singing it. So now you know it is swadhyaya and abhyasanam. Swadhyaya and abhyasanam. Swadhyaya and abhyasanam. And then, so I'm singing Satyam Priya Hitam Chayat Swadhyay Abhyasanam. Right? No? Oh no. Swadhyay Abhyasanam. No, what do I do with the Cheva? So again, I have to go back and bring it and sing it in the same tune, right? Satyam Priya Hitam Chayat Swadhyaya Abhyasanam Cheva. Well, something is going wrong here. So again, try. Anudvega karam vakyam satyam priya hitam chayat swadhyabhyasanam cheva. So you see, now you're knowing how much do I have to put the emphasis, although I know there are two different words, but because the whole thing has to fit also into the meter. So you will learn through practice going back and forth on that. Every sentence here has to be sung in the same meter because that's how it is constructed, right? So, but good attempt, Meera Mataji. You're also, starting relatively new here. All of you are new, yeah. Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah, go ahead. Vaishali.
Manah prasadaha soumyatvam Monam atma vinigraha भाव संशुद्धिर इति एतत् तपो मानसम उच्यते. Hare Krishna.
Okay, very good. Give us this line again. Third line.
Third line. भाव संशुद्धिरिति एतत् एतत्
Okay.
भाव संशुद्धिरिति एतत् तपो मानसम उच्यते.
Just line number 3.
भाव संशुद्धिरिति एतत्.
Okay, now give me the word which is highlighted.
Itya.
Okay, now give me the whole line.
Ityetat.
Okay, now give me.
Bhava samshodhir ityetat.
Continue.
Bhava samshodhir ityetat tapo manasam uchyate.
You see, you said cha here, right? Uchyate. So if you're saying cha here, then you use the tya here, right? Simple logic. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If this is cha, then how can this be,
Ityetat
right?
uchyate.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Tyagi, Mr. Tyagi, Mrs. Tyagi, Tya. All right. Okay. Then Sulekha Mataji.
Shraddhaya paryatapam tapas.
Hold on. Okay, let's go slowly on this one. What is this?
Taptam.
Taptam, right? Shraddhaya paryataptam.
Taptam. Tapas tatri vidhayam naraye.
Narahi, okay.
Narahe abhalakansi shibhir yuktehe satvikam parishakayasate.
This is always a cha.
Parichayakshate.
Pari, cha. There is no ya there. Pari.
Parichasate.
Parichak. Chakshate.
Parichaksate. Sate. Parichakte.
Look at this. Look at this word.
Parichshate.
No. Pari. Just do this. Pari. Pari and then chak.
Chakshate. Parichakshate.
Chakshate, right? Parichakshate. Parichakshate, right? Is called. All right. Let's go further.
Mataji, Namaji and Mataji joined. Namaji, Mataji, want to read?
Yes, it's okay.
Yes, you want to read?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so we'll put you right after Sulekha Mataji. And let's go this. Satkara mana pujartham. Okay, that's the tune.
You muted, Mataji?
No, she's not muted. Namaste Mataji, want to read? Something is wrong.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. We were not able to hear you.
Satkara mana puyartam taputam bena chai bajat kriyate tat iha proktam rahasam chalam adrubam.
Adruvam, very nice. So Namaste Mataji is coming from a Spanish background, right? So she's completely new to Sanskrit and to Hindi. So you see how she just completely relies on the Prabhupada transliteration, and she's able to get so many words right? A lot of them right, because she's just following the instructions of the spiritual master there. Fantastic. Okay. After Namazya, Vrindavan Mataji again.
Mudha granitatmano yat pridhyaya kriyate tapa parasyoda sadhantaram pa tattamasam budhartan.
this one?
Udhartam.
Uda.
Udhartam.
Udaharitam.
Uda.
Udhartam.
No, just stay with this. What is this? Uda.
Uda.
Okay, and then now looks at this. What is this?
Ritam. Udahritam.
Udahritam. Okay, good. Now let's go to next part, Wendy.
Yes. Datvayam iti
Datavyam.
yaddanam
Datavyam.
datavyam iti yaddanam diyate nuparkine dese kale cha patre cha taddanam satvikam smritam.
All right. Let me go further. Very good. Very good.
Garima Mataji.
Yeah.
This is a very good one. All these slokas are very good.
Yat tu pratyapakaratham. Yat tu pratyapakaratham palam udishya bapunaha diyate cha parishlistam taddanam rajasham smritam.
Right. So here, if you break this down as this big word as two, pariklishtam.
Lishtam.
Yeah.
Klishtam. Yes. Pariklishtam.
Pariklishtam. Exactly. Diyate cha pariklishtam. Taddanam rajasam smritam.
Rajasham smritam. Mataji, the first word, it was like
Pratyupkarartham. See, pratyupkarartham. Yattu pratyupkarartham phalam uddishya va punaha diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam. Pratyupkarantam. Prati upkarartham.
Yes.
Prati for our own upkar. And for the sake or for
so
the.
we won't upakara. So we won't pronounce that a after r.
You will do that.
Upakar artham.
Because these two got combined, right? Upakarar, because this small a and this small a got combined and became a big a. You know, you see. So
yeah,
two short a's became a big longer a, right? So upakarartham, and that's what Prabhupada has done. He has combined the two there, and they also combined here. Pratyupkarartham, you see, upkarar, and then tham, like that. Pratyupkarartham. Okay, let's go. Hare Rama. Okay. Who's next?
Shall I start, Mataji?
Yes.
Adeshakale yaddanam apatrebhyascha deyate asatkritam avagyatam tattamasam udhahitam.
Very good. Give us this word one more time.
Udahitam.
Udahitam. Okay, good.
Udahitam.
Right, text 23.
Om Tat Sat iti nirdesho Brahmanas Trividrahas Smita Brahmanas Trividha Smita.
So here, here this is not English, right? This is Sanskrit written in English, right? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
Okay, Brahmanas Trividha Smita.
Right. Yeah.
Brahmanastenu Vedascha Yagnascha Vihitaha Pura.
Hitaha puraha. Very nice. Okay.
Vihitaha Pura.
Hita puraha.
Is it Puraha at the end with the A?
Let me see. I may be missing. No, it is pura. Sorry, my mistake.
Pura.
Vihitaha pura. Yeah. Okay. Then 24. Who is after Sadhana Mataji? Mataji.
Oh, Hare Krishna. It's me. Is it me?
Yes.
Yeah. Tasmad Om Ichi Udartya Yajna Dana Tapa Kriya Pravartante Vidhanoktaha Satam Brahma Vardinam
Vadinam.
Vadinam.
Vadinam. Very good. Let's continue. After Meera Mataji is Varshana Mataji. Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Tad etyayan sandhaya phalam yajnatapah kriyaha dan kriyasya vividhaha kriyante mokshakankshivi.
Very nice.
Hare.
Try the first
Thank
line again, one more time.
Okay. Tadetyayan visandhaye.
One more time.
Tadetya.
Hmm.
Tadetya anvisandhaye. Taditya bhiyansandhaye. Taditya anvisandhaye.
Okay. What is this word?
Taditya anvisandhaye.
Okay. So you're
Phalamaya kriya.
don't go to the next line. We are still on the first line.
Okay.
And we will only
Tad etya.
Huh? Go ahead.
Ana.
Yes.
Ana bhi sandhai.
Okay. And then
Ana
why
bhi
are you saying
sandhai.
sandhaye? Why are you saying ye in the end?
Oh, okay, Mataji.
Hmm.
Sandhaya.
Hmm.
Sandhaya.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Tad
Taditya.
etya anabhisandhaya.
Sandhaya, right? And so we don't have to need the E.
Yes.
And if Prabhupada has put two words separately, there is no need to combine them.
It's there.
You have to pronounce separately. Otherwise, you will lose the meter. Okay. All right.
Okay.
The beautiful words. Who gets this?
Me, Mataji.
Go ahead. So
Sadbhava.
there are two verses here, and I'd like one Mataji to do one verse, another Mataji to do the other verse. Okay. All right. Now go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mataji, I can only see the English. Are we reading only English or Hindi?
It's
And
entirely up to you. Whatever you like. If you're following with
Okay.
the Hindi, I can show you the Hindi.
Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha sad ite itat prayunyate prasayate karmani tatya tatha. Next line. Sak cha bada partaya yujayate.
Okay. So let's go back again here and take each of these words slowly.
Sadbhave sadhu bhave ka cha.
Cha, right?
Cha.
So this is perfect. Okay. Now let's go to the next line and go slowly. What is this?
Sad ite. Sad.
Okay, one word at a time. Okay. What is this?
Sad iti. Iti.
Iti.
Ite.
Ite. No.
Sad ite.
No. Ty is what? Ty is what?
Ita.
Yeah.
Ita.
Itya.
Itya.
Okay.
Sad itya.
I just wanted to mention something here. And this I want everybody in the team to perfectly memorize in their head this one word. right? And this one word is
Ati.
Tyagi. Tyagi.
can you,
Yeah.
can you all
Yeah.
memorize this tyagi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tyagi.
Now, if
Itya.
there's a T and a Y, do you know how to pronounce that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Always atya. All right. So
Sad itya.
itya, right? See,
Sad
there
itya.
is no a at the end of it, right? You see, he has not put a. This means it's a small itya.
Sad itya itat
Etat.
para.
There's a difference between I and E, right? Whenever there's a E, it is a for Anak, Sulika. And when there is a I, it is E for Imli. You see, so there's a difference between E and A. So sad itya etat. Sad it
Sad
etat, yeah.
itya itat
Pra
prayujyate.
yujyate. Yes, you got it. Right.
Prasate.
Slowly, slowly. Pra,
Prasate.
pra.
Prasate.
There's a bar on top of it. So this becomes a sha for shaljam.
Prashayate.
Hold on.
Prashayate.
Hold on.
Shaste.
Yeah, now you got it. Yeah.
Prashayaste.
Prashaste. Prashaste.
Prashaste.
It is a tongue twister. It is a tongue twister, I know, but it is prashaste, right? So if you look at here, where is it? Prashaste karmani tatha.
Prashaste.
Prashaste. Prashaste. You see?
Prashaste. Yeah.
Karmani tatha.
Prashaste. Karmani tatha.
Now look at this Hindi. Such. Such. Chabdaha.
Sachabdaha.
Chabdaha. Yeah.
Sachabda paryate you
Look at this again.
partha.
Look at the Hindi.
Partha. Partha yujayate.
Yujyate, right? It's the same. Tyagi.
Yujyate.
Tyagi. Okay, good. Who's next then?
Me, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead.
Janya tapasitanya cha istishtihi sat iti koshyate
Cha. Chochyate.
chachyate karma chaivatat artijam sat itya eva vidyajate
Eva. Eva.
eva
What is this?
b
All right. And what is this?
d
And what is this?
yate
Right, then Eva bhi dhiyate.
b diyate.
Sad itya eva bhidhiyate. All right, good. Very good. Dhiyate. Yeah. So you can practice some more, yeah, today, and then let's go here.
Ashradhaya hutam dattam.
Okay,
Tapasta.
let's look at the first word.
Ashradhaya hutam dattam. Tapastaptam kritam chayat. Asad iti uchyate patha. Nacha tat priyate noiha.
All right, let's look at this again. Asad.
I'm sorry. Asad ityachyate. Partha.
Now let's.
Nacha tat priyato noiha. Prityo naha. Prityo niha.
One more time. This word.
Prityo niha.
One more time.
Pratyoniha.
Okay, tell me where is the O?
Pritya.
Where is the O in this? Where is the O in that word? Where is the O? Is there an O there in this word?
No, pratyanoha. Pratyanohiha.
Okay, and then where is the A?
Pratyanoiha.
Where is the A in this word for pratya?
pratyano iha.
Why are you pronouncing this as a A? It is a E.
I'm sorry. Pritya. I'm sorry. Nacha tat prityano iha.
Why are you pronouncing this as a I?
Wait a minute, Prad.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see the Hindi one, Mataji.
All right, here you go.
Nacha pratyetya iha.
Is it pra? In the
Nacha tapretya iha.
Yeah, there you go. So whenever there's a E, it is
Nacha tatpretya iha.
no iha. All right, good. So that brings us to the end of this, and to me, 20
Hindi
minutes
helped me.
to the next class. So
Sanskrit helped me.
Yes, Mataji, you are already late.
I'm very, very
Mataji,
late.
but these slokas are very good, Mataji.
Yes, they are.
Danam, and other things and
Yes.
everything. That
So take it as an exercise, and you have spent, all of you Matajis have spent so much of time today going through this, and I can distinctly see an improvement from the last 3-4 weeks that we have been doing this, that now you're all paying more attention to looking at the words, and every now and then you slip, but then we'll bring you back all. So you have a fantastic, fantastic day. And I have to go to the class. I'm already, almost half an hour.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Yeah.
Thank
For
you.
your
Thank you,
patience.
Mataji.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
Mataji, for
Mataji.
helping
Hare
everybody.
Krishna. Hare
Thank you,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Fantastic
Dandavanam.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah,
for
Sulekha
everybody.
Mataji, I need to talk to you after the class for our meeting at 3 o'clock, right? I'll talk.
Yes,
after my
Mataji,
class.
I was going to bring you.
Okay, bring me.
Uh,
All right.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Krishna.